does OQLIS offer on-premise BI to suit businesses' privacy requirements?
A big part of our offering is the ability to deploy OQLIS in a customer's private public cloud, on-premise data center, whatever that specific requirement is. Recently, we had a customer specifically purchase the software primarily because of that feature. So, if you got, let's say, sensitive data that isn't allowed to leave specifically your network or your country, for whatever the reasons are, that's a big selling point or use case for the use of the software, is that we achieve that by then deploying on-prem. And that really does tick the privacy requirement.
That's impressive.